Hey guys, it is the next day. By the time I got everything cleaned up, there were too many shadows to take a video. So I'm going to turn this camera around and show you what this blank slate looks like, or what appears to be a blank slate looks like. This bed right there here I like to call the island. As you can see, it's this island of a flower bed in between some walkways. And you saw me take hedge trimmers to some roses and the butterfly bushes. I basically took hedge trimmers to all of it. It's just easier that way. And then, something like this rose is a beast. It gets bigger than this trellis. And so it's easiest just to whack it back with the hedge trimmer and then come in and make those more precise cuts to trim it up. Same thing goes for the butterfly bushes. Now these barberries, I just whack them back. They will flush back out and be just fine. This area will be completely full come spring. You won't be able to see the ground with all the perennials that are in here. Over here, we have my supervisor. Of course, all of this is cleaned up now. Those daffodils are getting ready to open up. And then I got this area cleaned up as well. I find it hilarious that you can actually buy wild strawberries. I don't mind the wild strawberries. They really like it around here. The problem is they can choke some other things out. So I have to be careful with them. I do like them as a ground cover, but I have found that some things can't compete and they don't survive with strawberries. So as we start right here, this area is what I like to call Dragonfly Lane. We have a dragonfly hosta that will pop up right there. And we have a Mr. Poppins. This plant was doing beautiful, but as I was cleaning out from underneath it, I felt around. This has been attacked by voles. So we need to give it some TLC and see if we can save it. Hopefully we can save it. Kaleidoscopobilia, that's what this is. So that is one of the reasons why I have not mulched yet, because I have got some things that need to be tended to before I get the mulch down. We have some lilies in here. We have a weeping Norway spruce that needs to find a new home. He is going to be moved, if not this spring, then this coming fall. We have a blue something, and there's actually a red peony tucked down in here. Let's see if it's starting to make its appearance. Oh, I found the tag. Red peony. Oh, yep, there it is. It is popping out of the ground. We have some lilies here that need to be separated, so I'm going to dig those up and separate those. And then our heucheras, an iris patch, a perennial grass. There's lilies in here, calla lilies, some type of daisy. And then as you come through here, you'll have another hosta that pops up here of unknown variety. We have some wire vine. Alrighty, that's it for this cleanup project. We've got Dragonfly Lane, Rose Ridge, and the island all cleaned up and ready for some soil amendments and some mulch. So I will be talking about those soil amendments in an upcoming video and getting the mulch down. And I've got to hurry because there are a lot of daffodils in these beds that are going to be popping up pretty soon. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, and I would love to hear what you are doing in your garden. So leave me a comment. Let me know what you're cleaning up and what you're getting ready to plant this spring. And of course, for the love of dirt, get outside, experience what nature has to offer. Until next time.